given how everything's looked, I'm gonna have to pull the engine. Gonna remove the very badass steel cover on the chain so I can get the engine out, plates, the top mounts out, front bash plate mount. That's the plan. Pull the engine, see if I can figure out why it was seized. I have a rounded off screw head. Now, it's not as bad as it could be, so I'm not forced to kind of slit in it with an angle grinder and use a flathead. But it's under a fair bit of tension. So I'm going to use a impact screwdriver that I stole off my dad. See if that works. Perfect. Right. Meet the Persuaders. Good name for a band, that. I already persuaded it. How about that? Awesome. Right on here. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. There was a channel in there. Yeah. Whatever. I'm a dingus. There's a fair bit of crap in there. Right. Well, did its job pretty well. That's for sure. That was big enough, wasn't it? That's what she said. Oh, not bad. Bit of crap in there. Uh-oh. Ah, that's fine. Thought I'd lost the bolt in the side. It actually just secures through to itself. That's pretty good. Ooh, hello. Yeah, I'm gonna get a photo of this. Before I take any electronics apart, I always get a photo. Terrible for it. Cool. If you want to be super duper safety sure, get yourself like a marker pen like this and just dot them. Like there's two next to each other like this. You know which one goes to which. Dot goes to the dot. Saved my ass a few times that. One nugget nugget or two? I do. Okay. Yeah, that's where I was going to see if I could just disconnect the sprocket here instead of having to take off the back wheel to release the tension on the chain. If I'm lucky, you'll be able to slide forwards. Cool. No, you don't. Whoa! I might inflate the tyres a little bit to stop that happening. Hey, that worked. Yeah, right. I had no idea if that would work or not. Hey, can you pull? Pull. Sit. Pull. Pull. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Woo. Right. What you doing? In case it isn't obvious yet, I'm not a mechanic. Just a practically minded nerd. Everything I do is just an idiot's perspective, so don't take it as gospel or as like me telling you how to do stuff. It's just how I'm doing it now. Not telling you to do it like this, telling you how I'm doing it now. Yeah, because it probably won't work. Righto. Jesus. Get off me. So, gear selector's off, sprocket's off, electronics are off, and marked and took photos of. Fuel lines are off this side. Anything left is to take off the accelerator cable. And then it's on to just removing engine mounts and sliding it out of there. Ooh, she crusty. It's actually a good thing, because that means that it's highly likely that it's just the piston stuck to the cylinder wall and it's not a catastrophic failure of the engine. I'm going to take off the starter, see if that gives me enough room to scoot it forwards and out. Animal hair? Or is that fibres? Weird. Righto. Hopefully that's giving me the room. It has. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Stay. Boy, am I glad to pump the tyres up. Oh yeah, there's a bit of weight to it. Whoa! Righto. So, when I chucked this on the bench before, it just started pissing out WD-40. So, let's see if it does it again. Yep, someone's just absolutely... I don't know how much is in there. Hey, bucket. Good God. You know, you gotta applaud the enthusiasm, but holy crap. That's a lot of WD-40. This is where I'll probably leave the video for today. Oh. I mean, at least it just comes out. Like, it's just nasty. Ooh, yuck. Hey, different flavour. Right. That's going to do me for today. And for this video. I'll pick up in the next video. I'll crack the engine. See how bad the piston is. See if the rest of it's salvageable. Or whether it's going to buy a whole new engine. I don't know. You can get them. Because it's quite a sought after mag bike. But yeah. Please forgive my terrible camera work, and I'll see you again next time, hopefully. See you later.